The Nike Pegasus Premium Year of the horse is a special release inspired by the Chinese zodiac sign for 2026. This model blends cultural storytelling with Nike's long-running Pegasus legacy, first introduced in 1983. Designed with both style and performance in mind, the shoe features a balanced mix of pencil point, sail, phantom, and anthracite tones for a clean and modern look. The breathable gray mesh upper adds texture and subtly shifts in appearance under different lighting. A vibrant pink accent on the midsole delivers a bold contrast, symbolizing the playful energy of street culture. A large Phantom Nike Swoosh anchors the side, while deep anthracite details around the collar and heel enhance its urban appeal. Inside, a galloping horse graphic highlights the zodiac theme. Lightweight materials, responsive air cushioning, and a durable non-slip rubber outsole ensure comfort, stability, and everyday wearability. This premium Pegasus model celebrates speed, vitality, and modern fashion in one refined silhouette.